subscribers and viewers, those just joining my channel for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video today. All right, so today is we're going to be doing tips and tricks. I don't know whether we call it tips or we call it tricks, but whichever one is a tip is a trick, okay, in the millinery world. Okay, so I have a lot of people asking me how can they remove gum stains. Is that most times when you do some jobs, when you make some hats, some fascinators, some turbans, there's a tendency that you would have gum stains. Either it's B6000, uhu gum, or candle glue on your work, and you don't want to give that to your client. No, it makes your work look messy, but there's a way out. What you need to clean up gum stains is this. Call it acrylic dissolver. Anyway, the long shot of the story is nail dissolver. You know, for those that fix long nails. Can't remember when last I fixed long nails. They make me uncomfortable. Anyway, so this is what you make use of. You make sure that you use the same color of material that you're using to clean, that you use to make the fascinator. That cloth should be the same color as the cloth was where you want to take off the stains from. Why? Because it has alcohol content, it tends to bring out the color from the material. So you can imagine if you're using a red cloth to bring out stains on a white cloth, that cloth is going to get stained, so you don't want to do that. So you make use of the same pieces of color of cloth and you clean it off. You just dab it and you clean it. I'll show you a sample now, then also show you a clip of that video so that you would see. Because I noticed that I want to make my red hat now. Not my red hat. I want to transform the red hat that you saw, that I said I would transform. So I said there's some gum stains on some things that I need to use, so on a strip that I need to use. So I want to show you how to clean that off. So stay tuned and watch and learn how to remove gum stains and make sure your work looks neat and perfect. A purple fascinator, and I used a lot of gum in that particular fascinator, in putting the beads and putting the flowers, and some gum stains got there, and so I decided to add that to the video. That was fascinator class 2. Add that to the video and show them how you can remove gum stains. Small piece of cloth, same material as this. This is nail polish. Is it showing? See, the gum stain is coming out. See, can you see this? If I do like this, it's all gone. Now this is how I clean the gum stains off mine. What is the way you clean yours? Do let me know in the comment section below. And before I leave, I would like to tell you about the fascinator I'm wearing. Do you remember it? Yeah, it's that our Ankara satellite fascinator that I made. Can you remember it? Yeah. So you can see that you can also use just the plain material. What I used here was a shining pulley. Okay, every other thing is the same, but this one there's a bit of a difference. Instead of making the flower here, I put a flower. So you can put ready-made flowers or you put a flower. Okay, all right. So to learn how to make this fascinator, in case you haven't yet seen it, just click. Okay, I think it's this way again. I would get it. No, it should be this way. If I turn the video, it will be this way. Alright, so just click the video up here to learn how to make this ankara satellite fascinator. It's not ankara right now, it's poly, but you can just click the video above, whichever way it is, and learn how to make it. It's a lovely fascinator that stands out, and I would say it has been my best selling this year. So you want to use it and dengue pools this period. So till I come again, till you see me in my next video, is goodbye and